Hello there guys, it's Danny Hyde here, that guy who stuck the hair his mum stored in a loft on his head with a Pritt stick. Anyway, I'm here today to talk about the worries I have about my impending hair system. It's not long now, like 5 weeks or something, and I'm here thinking, crap, am I ready for this? Don't get me wrong, I am excited, I don't want to look like this anymore, but I've got to admit, I do have a few concerns.
Number 1.
I'm really lazy. Like, the only good thing about this haircut is I don't have to do anything to it. Yes, it looks terrible, but it's low maintenance. Apparently, the hair system requires a bit of TLC, a bit of effort to keep it looking good. I'm just worried I haven't got the required effort to stop it looking like a dead badger is stuck to my head.
Number 2.
I don't want to look like a knob. I know that's pretty vague, so let me try and elaborate. I don't want to look like I'm balding, but I don't want to look like my hair is my life. I want my hair to look easygoing. I don't want it to look like I love my hair more than I love my girlfriend. Do you know what I mean? I suppose this is all going to come down to the styling side of things, which I haven't actually got into yet. So with a bit of luck, everything's going to be okay.
Number 3.
Is it going to itch like a bitch? Think about it. My natural hair is going to be growing under the hair system. I'm paranoid. I'm going to be there going...
In conclusion,
honestly, I swear, I'm more excited than worried about getting the hair system. It's just the guys at Hair For All asked me to be honest about any worries I've got, so here I am being honest. I suppose the only way I'm actually going to find out if there is anything to worry about is by getting the thing stuck on my head. So guys, see you in 5 weeks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.